Hands. You all right?
Oh no.
Where you shot?
Where you hit,
man?
There's a gun right there.
Yep.
Where you shot?
Where you hit, buddy?
Shot fire, lock it down.
Where you shot?
Someone get us the EMS ASAP.
Where you hit, buddy? Where you hit?
Oh, where you at?
I don't see.
Omari, stay with us, buddy.
816.
816. Stay with us, buddy.
Across the alley?
Stay with us. Hey,
I'm working on it.
hey, stay with me. Hey, Omari, stay with me.
I'm working on it.
Right here.
Thank you.
Where's it?
Need
right here on
chest
his
seal.
chest.
Somebody get us a seal.
Metro Safe, we need a location for EMS.
Where's the actual wound at?
No, put the gun. Put it down. Put it down.
You got a seal?
Working on it. Get your first aid kit out.
See if there's an exit on the back or anything.
Hold on.
Stand by on the location.
One on the shoulder up here.
One on the shoulder.
Yeah. All right. Right shoulder.
There was, I think, 2 shots.
Gonna be the rear of 816 36th Street.
Stay with us, Omari.
Page 39.
Trying to keep pressure on this.
Correction, 816 Sutcliffe Avenue.
Right here.
Where's the chest hole?
I don't see it.
I don't see the
Alright,
chest
just in the
hole.
shoulder.
I just see
Alright,
something on
where's
the shoulder.
somebody?
You got 2 right here, one here, and another one right here. This one's breathing pretty heavily though.
Alright. Omari, we're gonna put some dressing in there. Let me see it.
Ready?
Yeah.
I got 2 holes in this upper left shoulder.
Hang in there, man.
I think there was only 2 shots fired.
Yeah, it was just 2. I don't know if that's an entry and an exit or what. I don't know.
Roll him on his side.